Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change active punctuation group in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, guys, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the verbosity. Then in the verbosity section, tap the punctuation, customize how punctuation is output. Then in the punctuation, tap again the active punctuation group. Then in this part, in the active group punctuation, under the system groups, if you want to change it to all, just tap the all until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to some, just tap also until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to none, just tap it also. Just like this. And that's it. We have successfully changed active punctuation group in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!